In this video, we're going to show you how to reposition a drawer slide. Drawer slides are used with all sizes of the drawers we manufacture, including in PEDSYS storage packages. You can reposition drawer slides if you choose to change the order or sizes of the drawers already in your facility. In this example, we are going to reverse the order of the drawers in this freestanding pedestal drawer. This 12-inch drawer is going to be placed at the top, then the 6-inch drawers, then the 2 3-inch drawers at the bottom. Let's get started. First, remove all your drawers. Pull the drawer all the way out, then push on the black tabs on the side of the drawer. Push up on the right and down on the left. Pull out the drawer. Now let's look at the drawer slide. To remove the drawer slide, fully extend the slide, firmly grasp the slide, pull up, and twist towards the inside of the drawer chassis and pull towards you. Repeat for the other side. Note that the drawer slides are labeled R and L for right and left. To reposition the slide, determine the position of the drawer and reinstall the drawer slide. To reinstall, fully extend the slide, line up the slots on the inside of the chassis with the tabs on the drawer slide. Press in and down. Repeat for the other side and all drawer slides. After all your slides have been repositioned, push in the drawer slides and reinsert the drawer into the chassis. Repeat for all drawers. Remember, if you need help, call assembly support at 800-318-2770. We'd be happy to guide you through assembling your workstations and accessories.
Action.
In this example, we are going to reverse the order of the drawers in